economic systems in the world today. In the world, there are various countries, or you can say various economies. In all the countries or in all economies, they are not following same type of economic system. In some countries, for a particular economic system, like capitalist economy, in some countries, socialist economy, in some countries, mixed economy are following. Broadly, there are three types of economic systems. One is capitalist economy, second one is socialist economy, third one is mixed economy. In the world, the first economic system came into existence was capitalist economy. This was the first economic system that was followed in the world first. This capitalist economy came into existence due to the Industrial Revolution. You know, Industrial Revolution took place in UK. With the emergence of Industrial Revolution, the economic system came into line or came into existence was capitalist economy. Now let us see what is capitalist economy. Capitalist economy is the economic system in which all the means of production or main means of production are controlled and owned by private sector. You know, in capitalist economy, private sector is important. Private sector plays key role. Unlike public sector. Of course, there is a public sector in capitalist economy, but public sector doesn't play a key role in the process economic development. Whereas, for a private sector plays a key role in the process of economic development in the capitalist economy. And private sector is guided by mainly profit motive. Getting maximum profits is the main goal or main motive of the private sector in the capitalist economy. All the economic activities are undertaken in order to get more and more profits in the capitalist economy. Whereas social welfare, public welfare is not so important. Private public sector is confined to a few areas like defense, external affairs only. So you have to understand very clearly the capitalist economy is the economic system under which major means of production are owned, controlled and used by the private sector, and private sector undertakes all economic activities in view of getting maximum profits rather than promoting public welfare. So that is the capitalist economy. Today in the world, as I told, the first capitalist economy economy came into existence, UK. Next, other countries follow: USA, France, Italy, Germany. Today, so many countries in the world are following capitalist type of economy. So this is a capitalist economy. You have to understand very clearly. So after capitalist economy, a new economic system came into light, because due to capitalist economy, there are so many evils took place. Because due to capitalist economy, or due to capitalist economy, rich became richer, poor became poorer. There is a rampant unemployment, poverty, glaring inequalities in distribution of income and wealth, and natural resources and means of production in the economy, in the capitalist economy, are used for selfish motive only, or to get maximum profits only. So many people were deprived of equal benefits, equal rights. So some countries, some economists, some thinkers tried to find out an alternative to the capitalist economy. So as a result of evils and effects of capitalist economy, socialist economy came into existence. Yeah, you have to remember a famous socialist thinker called Karl Marx. Karl Marx wrote a famous book called Das Kapital. The ideologies of the Das Kapital, Karl Marx, helped a lot to bring about a new economic system that is called socialist economy. This socialist economy came into existence as a result of the Russian Revolution. Russian Revolution, famous Russian Revolution took place 1917 in Russia. As a result of Russian Revolution, a new economic system called socialist economy came into light, came into existence. First in USSR, then it was spread to other countries like Bulgaria, Romania, so many socialist countries. Of course, today, as a result of glasnost, globalization, the socialist economy disappeared. The countries which followed socialist economy previously wanted to follow the capitalist economy today. So, now let us see what is socialist economy here. Next. As told, capitalist economy, the evils of capitalist economy lead to the socialist economy. Right? Came into the USSR, Russia, Bulgaria, like that. In socialist economy, public sector is important sector, unlike private sector in capitalist economy. As I have told, in capitalist economy, private sector plays key role in the process of development, whereas in the socialist economy, Whereas in the socialist economy, public sector plays key role in the process of economic development. What is the meaning of socialist economy? Socialist economy, the economic system under which major means of production are owned, controlled and used by the public sector in order to promote public welfare rather than getting maximum profits is called socialist economy. Here in socialist economy there are two important things. One is public sector is the key sector, and the main motive is not getting maximum profits. Public welfare, promoting public welfare is the main motto of the socialist economy, socialist economic system. In all activities in socialist economy undertaken by a centralized planning system, there is a planned economy. Centralized planning is there. The centralized planning directs all the economic activities are to be undertaken from time to time. So the centralized planning system plays key role in the process of economic development, mainly in the socialist economy. So this is in brief socialist economy. Next, third economic system is mixed economy. As we have already seen, there are two economic systems, namely capitalist economy, socialist economy. As I have already told, in capitalist economy, private sector plays key role, whereas in the socialist economy, public sector plays key role. Whatever it is, a new economic system, some countries, mainly India, decided to introduce a new economic system, which is mixed economy. In mixed economy, we find important features of both capitalist economy and socialist economy. It is the combination of capitalist economy and socialist economy. Today, what type of economic system India is following? What type of economic system exists in India today? That is mixed economy, not capitalist economy, not completely socialist economy. Understand? The new economic system called mixed economy is working in India today. What is the meaning of mixed economy? It is important for the coexistence of public sector and private sector is called mixed economy. That means public sector and private sector both are coexistent. Both sectors undertake various economic activities from time to time, which will be controlled by planning. In India also, we find planning is a planned economy is there. Here, public sector plays key role in the mixed economy in the process of economic development, and also private sector plays key role in the process of economic development. when you are promoting public welfare, government imposes some rules, regulations and controls on the working of private sector in India. So like that, mixed economy is working in India today, and planning is also playing an important role in India, where we have been achieving economic development through 5 years plans since 1951. Understand? So planned economy is also important in mixed economy. However, as there is a private sector, as private sector plays key role, there are some economic problems in which like poverty, unequal distribution of income and wealth, regional imbalances, concentration of wealth in the hands of few. These are mainly due to the existence of private sector in India. But government has been trying to reduce all these economic problems like poverty, unemployment, inequalities in the distribution of income and wealth. In that way, you have to understand mainly the 3 economic systems that are working in different countries in the world today. From the examination point of view, you have to know mainly meaning of each economic system. What is capitalist economy? What is socialist economy? What is mixed economy? And the important features of each economic system. So which will be useful for various competitive examinations like civil services, group 1 and other competitive examinations. Thank you.